Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Cord organizer. Powerful stickiness. Cord organizer be made of powerful and standard 3M glue with stronger stickiness. Sturdy, it is not easy to fall off and not leaving any traces on surface. Premium material, kitchen organization made with food-grade TPR silicone, healthy and safely, non-toxic, BPA-free, durable, and not easy to deform. Perfectly compatible. Compatible with surface of glass, ceramics, wooden board, plastic, metal, tiles, wallpaper, leather. Apply to all kinds of kitchen equipment, such as coffee machines, air fryer, blenders, pressure cooker, toaster, juicer. Unique design. The unique butterfly-shaped design is more in line with kitchen equipment and more beautiful. And after many manuscripts and mold opening tests, compatible with 70% of the kitchen equipment wire. 100% satisfaction G. Guaranteed. We guarantee that the high-quality UCOX cord organizer will surely please you. If, for any reason, you are not 100% satisfied with the UCOX, we will help you solve. Burger press. Food-grade press and heavy-duty cast iron. Avoid harmful PTFE or PFOA chemicals that other presses use with our food-grade iron cookware. The Bellman Bacon Press might just be the most indestructible cooking tool you use. Made with heavy-duty cast iron, the press can also be seasoned like cast iron skillets to create a non-stick surface. Equalized weight distribution for perfect grill marks every time. Preheat your beautiful first grill press on the pan. Then apply the equalized heavy pressure to your food of choice for a short time. Meat tenderizer. Chef-grade meat tenderizer. The meat tenderizing tool easily slices through meat to create tiny heat channels without change the shape or appearance of the meat. The channels tenderize the meat while also providing greater absorption of marinade or spice and lowering cooking times up to 40%. Increases flavor and tenderness of all cuts of meat. High quality and great design. Meat tenderizing tools are manufactured with high-quality 48 stainless steel blades with hard texture, durable to use without corrosion and rust. Blades are sharpened on both sides for prolonged performance that stays sharp even after frequent use. ABS grip with human engineering principle bring you much convenience, let you easy to hold, and keep a good mood to cooking. Measuring spoons. Treat yourself to 2 sets worth having. With single metal construction and heavy-duty premium stainless steel, these measuring spoons were built with endurance in mind. They won't rust or bend. These 2 complete sets are beautiful, perform incredibly well, and were designed to last. Magnetic, for easy use and storage. These magnetic spoons let you use 1 spoon at a time, and then they nest together for easy storage. Quickly grab the spoon you need without having to fumble with opening and closing a ring. Save time and hassle with these dual-sided spoons. The oval end is narrow to fit into most spice jars. You won't need to shake spices onto the spoon, so you will save more and waste less of your expensive spices. The round end is perfect for liquids. The spoons also lay flat on the counter without spilling their contents. Save precious time too, since they are dishwasher safe. Complete, accurate set to help you measure spices, medicine, and more. Precise quantity of ingredients is what you need to get great results with cooking and baking. The included levelers help you measure the exact amount required the first time. Vacuum sealer, simple one-touch sealing. Easily seal your food with the dry or moist buttons. Just press to vacuum and seal dry or moist foods with this vacuum sealer machine. Perfect for preserving meats, vegetables, fruits, and more. This food vacuum sealer keeps your items fresh longer. Precision for delicate foods. Need extra care? The pulse button gives you precise control over vacuuming soft or delicate items like chips or baked goods, ensuring they stay intact. With this food sealer vacuum sealer, you can preserve your food's texture and flavor with confidence. External canister vacuuming. Expand your sealing options with the external vac button to vacuum seal food in canisters. Whether it's liquids, snacks, or smaller items, this vacuum sealer for food handles it all. No need for bulky freezer bags. Ice cream scoop. The last ice cream scoop, you'll need genuine heavy-duty tool that is strong and sturdy with no mechanical gimmicks or moving parts that can break. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. Great for other creative kitchen uses, as well, including using it to scoop out seeds from melons or filling peppers with stuffing. Works amazingly well for gelato and custard too. Create perfect spheres of ice cream. Cuts through smoothly and effortlessly so that ice cream curls onto itself, making beautiful and well-proportioned scoops for cones, brownies, sundaes, pies, and more. Innovative design saves you time and energy. Unique shape that is the best combination of a scoop and spade to help you easily tackle rock-hard frozen desserts. Curved area of scoop makes brilliant curls, while the thin edges help dig out ice cream from the corners of the container so you can enjoy every last tasty bite. The handle even has a notch to lift container lids, which will keep your hands happy. Cheese grater makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc., for salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Safe to use. The cheese grater with handle protects your hands from all sides during use. The handle replaces your hands in rotating, and the food pusher keeps your hands away from the blades. Soup ladle. Your beast friend. From the Ototo studio comes cute and functional Nessie. Scoop from the depths of the pot and serve into bowls of fun with this purple ladle spoon. Nessie, the nifty spoon, always adds a bit of fun into every kitchen. A quirky little treat. Looking for new home gift ideas for your loved ones or funny kitchen gadgets to add to your collection? Nessie ladle design adds the kitsch to every kitchen. Serve soups, gravies, and more with this cute kitchen gadget friend. A Nessie Sari tool. Get crackin' with fun kitchen gadgets like Nessie, your soup ladle friend. This beast can take the heat with its heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe material. Electric candle lighter. Upgrade electric lighter. The windproof and splash-proof design of the electric arc lighter ensures that you can easily use it under any weather conditions. Not only candle lighter, the flexible and 360 rotatable neck of the lighter can meet the needs of your in different occasions. Rechargeable USB lighter. The lighters can be used 600 times on a single charge, which display real-time battery volume. Portable lighter. The size of the lighter is very small and slim. It is suitable for daily use. What you get: an electric lighter, a USB charging cable, and a manual. Once for all, upgrade Safe Mandoline Slicer Plus. Safer Slicer. Safety Mandoline Slicer for any cook. Sharp hidden blade. Slicing is fast, uniform, and easy to set up and clean up, and does not need to glove up or change the blade to use it. This is definitely an upgrade replacement you're cooking daily. Upgrade large capacity. Once for all's JS03 vegetable slicer, larger feeding port and container chopper, more food at once, offers 4 mode choices: julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing at once, no need to change the blade. Adjustable thickness, 0.1 to 8 millimeters, great for quickly slicing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers. Easy to clean.